In this video, we will learn two essential features for real-world applications: navigation using React Router and a simple login system using ASP.NET Core API. We will set up React Router for navigation, create multiple pages like home, products, and login, build a backend login API, and then manage login state in React. First, install React Router DOM using npm. Then wrap your app component with the browser router so we can add routes. Now, define routes for different pages. The home route will show our welcome page, products will show our CRUD app, and login will display a login form. To navigate between pages, create a simple menu using link components. Clicking these will switch between our pages without reloading. In ASP.NET Core, we will create a simple login endpoint. If the username and password match, we return a fake JWT token. Later, this can be replaced with real authentication. In React, we will create a login form. When submitted, it calls our API. If successful, we store the returned token in local storage. To protect certain routes like products, we check if a token exists. If not, the user will be redirected to the login page. Now, let us test. We can navigate across pages, log in with our credentials, and access the protected products page only when logged in. To summarize, we implemented React Router, created a login API in ASP.NET Core, managed login state in React, and protected routes. In the next video, we will make authentication more realistic using JWT and ASP.NET Identity, connect it to a database, and manage state with React Context or Redux.